Hello friends, welcome back to Tamara's garden. How are you all? Today I will be covering up the top 5 plants a beginner gardener can easily grow, and these are the plants that I suggest for you. They are hardy plants and also very low maintenance. So stay tuned to my channel. If you are new, consider to subscribe. Watch until the end to know all the 5 plants. This is my beautiful pothos plant. So I have it at the entrance of my home and I have multiplied it at many times. I will show you the multiplied plants as well. Huge pot this is. So I have grew this plant in small pots, you can see, and I have decorated my indoor garden with them. And I have many varieties of pothos as well. So these plants I have grown with stem cuttings, some in water and some in propagated in soil. This is a beautiful and easy growing plant for beginners. So start up with this. But these plants fit into small planters. You can put them in small planters, keep them in the shade. If you love to adorn your garden outdoors with this plant, see that you keep it in the semi-shade. Partial to medium sunlight will be enough. So to start up gardening with this plant is ideal since they are low maintenance and also permanent. Even without fertilizer you can grow these beautiful pothos plants. So I suggest as a beginner gardener, start up with these pothos plants. This is number 1 plant for your garden. Spider plant also another easy to grow plant. A beginner gardener can simply grow them with spiderets and also multiply them soon. So this is another beautiful plant for a beginner gardener. You can grow them without fertilizer too. Have this plant in your shady corner of the garden. Do not put them in the bright sunlight area. So this is a wonderful hedge plant too. If you are looking for a plant to keep it on your hedges, this is ideal. This variegated leafy plant is a decorative plant and one of the indoor plants. As an air purifier, it will purify your air as well. So have this plant as a beginner and see how you can multiply them very easily. So I suggest this plant as a beginner gardener's plant. Because friends, I also brought this from a nursery and start up with this spider plant, and it gave me a lot of plants and lots of baby plants within a very short period of time. So I do love this plant as an indoor plant, as an outdoor plant, both. There are many varieties of syngonium, dwarf syngonium, the common syngonium, pink syngonium. These plants are also easy to grow, really very easy to grow with a single stem, and they are also beginner gardeners plants. Low maintenance, no need of fertilizer. Keep them in the semi-shade and you will see how very fast they grow. Beautiful and colorful leafy plants, and they adorn your garden. The next beautiful plant is ZZ plant. ZZ plant also you can grow with a stem, or else you can grow them with a single leaf. Put them in water to propagate, or else put them in soil. It should be well draining. You don't need to water them regular basis, and you will see you will grow them and multiply them within a very short period of time. Best part of the story is these plants are low maintenance plants. You don't have to bother yourself too much to grow these plants. Only thing is do not overwater and keep them in the semi-shade. Out of all the other plants, this is the most easiest plant to grow as a beginner gardener. Coleus, there are many varieties as well, and also you can put them in the ground or else in a pot. These plants grow within a very short period of time. Put them cuttings in water or else in soil. Both media will be okay. It should be well draining and they love the moisture. So keep this plant in the shady area. So I suggest you keeping this in your front garden because they are very beautiful in colorful leaves and they decor your garden. So these are the 5 plants that I suggest as beginner gardeners plants. So I hope you find this video very useful. If you are new to my channel, please stay tuned for more. I do gardening videos. This is my personal experience and I share it with you all. So if you are a new friend, do join me for more upcoming gardening videos. Thanks for watching and thanks for supporting. Share this with your family and friends too.